All right, time to add some more horsepower to the Veloster. Got myself a nice banner, custom made to put at the head of the windshield. This should add at least 40 horsepower. I'm assuming about 20 each word. This is something I came up with just to show how fast the car is. It's a slow society. So this is for all the cars out there who are always being smoked by other cars. This one's for you. And I'm gonna represent you guys with my car. All right, so the first thing is we gotta clean the windshield. I got some alcohol and I got some paper towels. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off. Then next up, we're gonna center it with some tape. Take off half of the backing, slide it on, other half, slide it on, and then take off the vinyl on top. All right, let's get to it. All right, so you're just gonna put some alcohol on your paper towel, just clean off the surface. I already cleaned off both sides, but I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing. All right, so now what we're gonna do, look at this, line it up if I can. All right, so I actually just cut it in two just because of, I think it was printed a little bit at an angle, so it was looking really kind of weird. Kind of liking how it looks like this. It's not perfectly straight, but it kind of goes with the angle of the car. So your next step is basically to, I'm basically gonna do what I did here on that side. And then just gonna take off the backing, do one side, put it on, do the other side, put it on, same thing on the other side. I'm sure you've seen a lot of videos of how this is done. There's a lot more better videos than this, so I would go look at those instead. I'll just show you the finished product, and this is just a quick little video, okay? All right, well, that was very stressful. So when you're taking off the paper, make sure you're flattening the vinyl little by little, because I accidentally dropped the paper or this part a few times and I couldn't bring it back. So just be really careful with this. I'm gonna let this sit for just a minute, and then I'm gonna slowly peel off this vinyl and I'll show you the final product. Oh, I like it. You can always take this off, so you know, it's up to you if you want to get something like this. Sheesh. All right, yeah, be super careful. We got so many bubbles, you can make some boba with this. That was corny. Yeah, that sucks. Ugh. Oh well. All right, maybe if you squint 10 feet away, it looks pretty good. All right, homies. That is your videos for the day. This one's for you guys.